Hello and welcome to today's segment of our YouTube video series where we discuss scholarship for international students. In this segment, we will take a look at SCOTEC scholarship for international students in Russia. This scholarship is sponsored by the Russian government for international students who are interested to study for either master's or PhD programs. However, if this is the first time of coming across our video, do ensure you like this video, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you can receive subsequent videos like this. So this scholarship is open to international students in any part of the world, and then there are certain requirements in which you must meet in order to apply, and I'm going to show you these requirements, and then we talk about the documents that is requested and then the application process. So do well to watch up to the end, never miss any part so that you can get acquainted to how you will apply for the scholarship before the application closing date. So let me walk you through the application, but before that, let's take a look at what the scholarship entails. As the country is Russia, the host is SCOTEC, which is Skolkovo Institute of Science and Technology. It is fully funded, masters and PhD. Then number of award is unspecified, and the number and the award will be taken in Russia. So we have the available list of courses that you can select from and apply for this scholarship. Meanwhile, I'm just going to visit the official scholarship website and show you these courses directly, so you can check from the list of the available courses that is open for application. So for masters, once you click on the official website in which I'm going to show you, so here is available programs that are open for master. So we have the data science, we have the advanced computational science, we have the applied computational mechanics, then we have petroleum engineering, and so on and so forth. So these are the list of MSc programs that you can apply to. While for PhD, once you click on the official website in which I'm going to show you the link, it will redirect you to this page. For PhD program, we have mathematics and mechanics, we have physics, we have material science and engineering, we have life sciences, we have computational and data sciences and engineering, we have engineering systems, we have petroleum engineering, we have agro-biotechnologies and engineering. So these are the list of courses. So this is the official website in which I'm going to show you the link on our website, legischolarship.com. So once you click on the official website, it will link you to this page. Then you can click on apply for MSc or apply for PhD. So it will take you to this page and then this page, so you can view the list of available courses that is open for scholarship. You can also view the application deadline and then other relevant information, just like you can see the application process and then the legalization and recognition procedure. So every information you need is on this web page. So what do we need next after the list of courses that are open for application? You need to know the eligibility requirements. Eligibility requirements is that applicants must have obtained bachelor, special degree or equivalent in relevant field of study for masters. Applicants must have obtained master degree in related field of study for PhD program. We have the English language requirement, in which you will see on the official scholarship website. So here is the requirements. So you can click on this link and then it will redirect you to the course details. So once you get to the course detail, you are going to see the duration mode, the fees, the scholarship that is attached, and the mode of instruction for the scholarship. Then you will learn about the application too. So all the details that is needed is available on the course page. So do well to click on the course you want to apply and read more information about this course before you proceed to apply. Meanwhile, I'm still going to walk you through the process on how to fill the form successfully, or how to apply for this scholarship successfully. So do well to watch up to the end. For PhD program, these are the documents required. So put this at the back of your mind. Ensure these documents are available for you to apply. So what next do we need to do? So after going through the eligibility requirements, the benefits, this is the benefit. It also covers insurance coverage. We have the mobility programs. You'll be exposed to a lot of mobility programs. Then application fee is excluded for this scholarship, and this is the scholarship duration. We have for masters 2 years and for PhD up to 4 years. Then the documents required based on the this is just the general document required for masters and PhD. Or for selected program, you can just click any of this link and see the document required. So here you need to check the documents required for PhD, just like I showed you earlier, and then we move to the application procedure. But before the application procedure, we were told the reason for this scholarship, in which you should read it yourself. You can also find it on the official scholarship website on why you should enroll for this CodeTech scholarship. So the first one is all faculty members have decades of active research experience from top global universities, and the second one is significant freedom in choosing course and individual study plan that allows students to obtain modern education with a broad interdisciplinary component. So these are why you should enroll for the CodeTech scholarship or Russian government scholarship at Kovo Institute of Science and Technology. So just like I showed you, also we have the benefit. We have the 40,000 RUB for masters, and we have the 70,000 RUB for PhD. So it also covers free medical insurance. All students can take part in different academic exchange programs with Russian and foreign universities. These are the requirements. You can click on the requirements to check additional requirements that we didn't mention in this video. So the most important part of this video is how to apply. So all you need to do is proceed to the course of study. You can click here. So once you click here, to redirect you to the official website. Quite alright. Then these are the list of courses, just like I've showed you earlier on. This to redirect you to this. So once it redirects you to this is the area of knowledge. We have different area of knowledge. So we have the artificial intelligence. Under the artificial intelligence, we have the data science, and then we have the computational, and then data science and engineering. So you can follow this link. So this is not open to bachelor, it's open to masters and PhD. So these are the links, these are the programs in which you can apply for. So you can apply for this until May 12, 2025. These are the available programs for PhD applicants. So but for PhD applicants, the deadline is April 28th, while for masters applicants the deadline is May 12, 2025. So the guidelines to apply for this is you prepare all your documents. All your documents must be available. Then you upload the documents into the CIA system and then click on submit. Then there will be an online test. Every candidate must take an online subject test, and you will be notified by email about the specific date and time to take this. Here is the documents that is mostly required. This is the general document that is mostly required. You can see it on your screen. So ensure you prepare this document. So just like we are told, the SIA system, you need to upload all your documents in the SIA system. So once we click on this SIA system, you will need to fill out the questionnaire. After filling out the questionnaire, then you click on the submit button, and it is official that you are an applicant. So meanwhile, let's wait for the SIA system to load up, and I'll show you what to do. Okay, an examination takes place 1 or 2 days after the application deadline. For example, if you submit your application on the deadline of 6th June, the examination will be on the 7th or 8th June. So after 1 or 2 days after the application deadline, you will need to conduct an online test in which you will be required to submit, and then this will qualify you to the next stage. So for the sample, you can click here, and then here is how you can prepare. So do well to apply for this scholarship. So this is the SIA website where you can fill in your scholarship information. So enter your first name, change your country number, and then email address. Which program are you participating in, either MSc or PhD? So under MSc, you select the program, then you select either in Russian or in English language. You type in your country of residence, your official, you type in your country. If you are located in Japan, you include Japan. So you type in either if you are learning in English or Turkish language, then you tick here and you continue. Then you will be provided with another web page whereby you upload your documents before you click the final submit button. So this is how to apply for Russian government scholarship for international students, or the Scotec scholarship for international students. Thank you for watching up to the end, and see you in our next video.